Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week and we managed very good pips today, especially at the New York session. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD, and if you look at the 4 hour, we are in a correction phase, as you can see here. We had the market open, as you can see here. We had a long trade here. We also had a counter short trade here. But at the end of the day, the market respected. We have a long trade at the New York session. And let's see here. Looks like we're expecting here to pull back short trade here. We'll see the market reaction at this level. It looks like the market is heading, you can see this sort of like correction is developing it. So let's see tomorrow. But let me share with you guys how I analyze market today. That was a beautiful trades today. And EURUSD, as you can see here, let me share. Okay, so at the market open, you can see that was the pretty straightforward sideways market as the market broken, and after that pull back long trade here, make a few pp's. And at the New York session, you can see that was a pretty straightforward breakout and long, because this is the counter trade, as you can see here, and bank few pp's. And after that, after the breakout, we were expecting another pullback, which I did in early analysis after banking few pp's. As you can see, explain to my trader, look for another pullback. You can see here price develop another pullback here, beautiful pips on EURUSD. And afterwards, as you can see here, we can see rejection in 4 hour at the support level, and look for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken and hit to the previous high, and that's what I explained to my traders, time to bank some profit. Even you can see we haven't seen any big moves, but still we managed few very good pp's on EURUSD. And if you look at the EURUSD right now, the previous candle is giving us the price rejected, not to close, so that's the good sign for reversal. Let's see, our target is around this level. Let's see if the price is going to hit this target or not. And let me share with you the pound dollar. We had an amazing trade. We are still holding, couple of traders are still holding long trade on pound dollar. That was a pretty straightforward. If you look at the pound dollar at the market open, we also had a short and long trade here. We were expecting if the price gonna break this level, we were expecting a short trade here, but the price keep respecting it. Now we are taking all pullbacks long here. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. And if you look at the market open, as you can see here, this was the analysis, guys. This London morning session, that was a pretty straightforward breakout short trade here. Oh, we were expecting a breakout. This one, price refused to break this level, and price came back again. As you can see here, we are intraday trader. Explain my trade, look for this breakout as mentioned here in the analysis. We have another breakout which we came out at the break even because the price refused to break this low here. Then what I explained to my trade, look for this breakout, guys. As you can see here, I updated that analysis instantly. Once the price reversed, we came out at the break even. That's what I explained, to look for this breakout. As you can see here, as you know that we updating our analysis as soon as the price develop another pattern. We are intraday trader. We have this breakout trade here. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, bank amazing profit on pound dollar. And at the New York session, you can see here price reverse, and explain to my look for pullback. As long as the price stay above this level, we're looking here another pullback. As you can see here, price nicely respected as mentioned on the analysis. Beautiful pullback long trade here, bank few pp's as soon as the price hit to the previous high. And afterwards, we price develop another pattern. As you can see here, price nicely broken this previous high, and after this breakout pullback, that's the good sign. We have rejection in 4 hour, bearish rejection, price respected, that's the good sign. We had a long trade here, and some of the traders are still holding it. Let's see here, and expecting here the price might gonna hit this previous high, this level. So we'll see tomorrow, guys. And bank amazing profit in pound dollar. Dollar CAD, we had amazing trade, guys, too, and beautiful short trade on dollar CAD. If you look at the 4 hour chart, we have London more and the New York at the market open, we have this impulsive move, and we were expecting price broken this level. We're expecting a pullback after this breakout. Short trade here, we have taken all these pullback here. And this is the, you can see here, looks like this is the major support level. Our target is this level, so let's see if the price is going to hit or not. But let me share with you the entries and exit. We had a very beautiful trades on dollar CAD. We've been short from since London morning. As you can see here, this London morning session, we have this impulsive move, and after that we were looking a short breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken, pullback, short trade here, bank few pp's London morning. And at the New York session, we have another beautiful breakout, short trade, bank few pp's. And then after banking some pp's, explain to matter, as long as the price does not break the recent high, we are looking a short trade here. We have another short trade here, bank few pp's again, and then look for another breakout. As you can see here, price reverse after banking some pips, and explain, as long as the price does not break this previous high, we are looking another short trade here. You can see another short trade, another pullback short trade here, and the price broke on even the previous low in 4 hour. Price nicely hit to the fifth channel. Explain to my traders, time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, how such a beautiful short trade on dollar CAD today. We really enjoyed this rally, and we'll see tomorrow if the price gonna respect or not, but we manage amazing profit. All right, guys, as always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time. And once you develop your trading skill, and you also get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader with the live market in real time, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. The places are very limited, so don't miss this opportunity. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.